'94 Mercury Grand Marquis. All the way from New Mexico, guys, they came. So, Albuquerque, New Mexico, welcome to the channel. Got factory converters there and there. Then what we did is true duals all the way back into some vibrants there and there, vibrant bullets, 1790s. Put her a new tailpipe on this side, reuse her tailpipe on this side, and put some new tips on it too to complete the look. As you guys can see, she's a firefighter. We appreciate her service and we hooked her up as much as we can. Much better. Yeah. Vibrants. They sound really good on that. Here's sound decibels. 111. That's awesome. Give it a little bit of style too. That sounds phenomenal. I like it. What you guys hear on the inside? Marquis, New Mexico, all the way from New Mexico, bro. That's so crazy. It's a long one. That's awesome. Vibrant resonators, true duals, 4-inch tips. And the drive continues. Enjoy, guys.